Hello and welcome back to another Spanish class in Edutin Academy. Today, let's explore together how to indicate gender and number when speaking Spanish. Don't forget to take notes and stay very attentive. Spanish, like many Romance languages, utilizes grammatical gender where nouns, adjectives, and articles are assigned either masculine or feminine forms. This distinction affects agreement with other elements in a sentence, such as verbs and pronouns. Before we start this lesson, let's look together this set of adjectives and tell me, are these feminine or masculine? Bonita, fresca, helada. Are these adjectives feminine or masculine? A. Feminine. B. Masculine. You get it! They are feminine. Most of the times, feminine words have the letter A at the end. Now let's get started. Let's start with gender agreement. Most of the time, nouns ending in O are masculine, while those ending in A are feminine. For example, el libro, el perro, el chico, la mesa, la casa, la chica. In other cases, we find masculine words ending with E and U. For example, el bisturí, el brócoli, el menú, el iglú. However, there are exceptions, and some nouns don't follow this pattern. Let's look at examples. El estudiante, la estudiante. El joven, la joven. El artista, la artista. In all those cases, these nouns are the same form for both masculine and feminine. Now let's move on to number agreement. Singular nouns refer to one person, thing, or idea, while plural nouns refer to more than one. In Spanish, we usually add an S at the end of the word. The following examples demonstrate number agreement. El gato, la flor, los gatos, las flores. Articles and adjectives also need to agree in gender and number with the nouns they modify. Let's see how this works. Un libro interesante. Una mesa bonita. Unos libros interesantes. Unas mesas bonitas. In today's class, we explored the important concept of how nouns, articles, adjective, and verb need to agree in gender and number in Spanish. While most nouns follow the pattern of O for masculine and A for feminine, there are exceptions such as noun with the same form for both gender or irregular forms. We also learn how articles and adjectives should match the gender and number of the nouns they modify. You are really lucky because nouns in English don't have gender. For me, it's a real challenge to memorize the feminine and masculine of some words when I learn a new language. It happens with French, for example. Sometimes I still struggle with some words that are masculine in Spanish but feminine in French. Un carro, Spanish and masculine. La voiture, French, feminine. But before you go, let's practice together in the comment section. As always, feel free to share your thoughts about this lesson and engage with other students. Write a sentence describing your best friend. Hasta luego, nos vemos en la próxima clase.
¿Te ha gustado este video? Te invito a continuar tu aprendizaje ingresando a edutin.com, donde encontrarás más de 6.000 cursos gratis y con certificado. Además, podrás interactuar con personas de todo el mundo. Ingresa ahora o descarga nuestra aplicación móvil.